So Ryden, this is your first day at our math program, and because it's our first day, you know we're gonna do some fun math, right?
Okay.
Okay. But the first thing, I'm gonna explain to you how we're gonna do the math. Okay. So the first thing is we're gonna focus and plan. So how are we gonna focus? What do you see here on the card? Ears, right? What does that mean?
Listen.
That means listen, right? And what do we see here?
Listening. Looking.
Right, looking and listening. Why are those things important?
Because
What happens if we don't look and we don't listen?
you get in trouble.
You can get in trouble, but you can also not hear the instructions, right? And you cannot see how to put your fun math things together, right? So we're going to use our brain while we look and we listen, okay? And the next thing we're going to do is act. So it says we're going to do fun stuff and learn, okay? And I'm going to explain that to you when we get there. And then when we're done doing our fun stuff, we're going to reflect. That means we're going to talk about what we did with our fun stuff. Awesome? Yes. All right. Okay, Ryden. So our fun stuff today are these. So what are these? Do you know what they're called?
I forgot.
Can you say beads?
Beads.
Beads, right. And what do we call these?
Yarn and I forgot again.
Yarn and string?
Yeah.
Yeah, string, ribbon. Today we're going to set our timer, and we're going to see how many beads you can put on your string.
Okay.
In 45 seconds.
Okay.
Okay? So what do you think? First, before we start, Ryden, we're going to make a plan. So we can't use both the strings, and we can't use all the beads. So what color string would you like to use?
Red.
Red? Okay. So let's get the red, and let's put the black away. Okay, so you said first we're going to use the red string to put our beads on, right? And which beads would you like to use? The darker color or the rainbow color?
Rainbow.
Rainbow color? Good choice. So we'll put that with our other string. Okay, so then we're going to take our red string, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to put our beads on it while we are timed for 45 seconds.
Okay.
All right. So what do we need, do you think, to put for our string so we could put the beads on it?
Scissors.
Scissors, right? So let's see. We need to cut our string, right? Okay, and if we have any time left, we might be able to use some smaller beads to see if that's more of a challenge or if it's the same. Not as challenging. Can you hold that? You want to cut it or do you want me to?
I'll cut it.
Right on. Okay, cut down here. All right. Okay, so what do you think we need? What would help us put those beads on?
String.
We got the string.
Um.
Do you think this might help us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you know the name of this? Can you say needle?
Needle.
Right.
Oh, I forgot.
You know it.
Again, I forgot.
So we're going to put our string on. Then we're going to set our timer, right? Mm-hmm. So first we had to cut our string, right?
Yeah.
We had to cut the string. Then we had to put our needle on, right? And then what are we going to do?
Put the beads on.
Put the beads on while I set the timer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so ready? Set.
Go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Use your needle. Sorry, here. Let's back up. There you go. Use your needle. And you can use this hand. How are you going to pick up your beads? Before we start, how are you going to pick up your beads? There you go. Okay, ready?
Go. Yes. Oh, it's this way.
You got it. I can see how you're using both hands. All right. That was 45 seconds. Did that feel like a long time or a short time?
Not short.
Not short? So it didn't feel like it felt like a long time? Okay. So let's look at how many you have. And before we count them, can you estimate how many you think are on the string?
15.
You think 15 are on the string? Okay. And why do you think there's 15 on the string? What makes you think 15?
Because it's a lot.
Because it's a lot and you feel like there's a lot on the string? Okay. So let's write down. Do you know how to write 15? Okay. So right here you estimated 15. So write it here. Okay. And then we're going to count them and see if you were close to your estimation. Okay? All right. So which way do you want to count from?
I was counting my mind.
You count in your mind? Okay. Do you want to count out loud so I can hear you? No? Okay. Can I count with you then? I'll count in my mind too. You ready? How many did you get?
12.
I got 12 too. Awesome.
Oh, it was close though.
You were close to your estimation. So our actual number of beads was 12. Can you write 12?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next time we do it, do you think you could get more beads on your string in 45 seconds?
Maybe.
Okay. You think you could go faster or do you think you'll get slower?
Yeah, the way how I was doing it, I just put a lot on here and then put it like a lot down, so that's easier.
Right. That's good problem solving. Okay, so you want to try it again? Let's see if we get more or less than your number. Okay? So let's take our beads off and we'll put them back. And I'm going to help you out. Nice. By taping this side down so you don't have to think about it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so this time, how many do you think you'll get this time in 45 seconds?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you think it'll be higher or lower than 15?
Maybe higher.
Maybe higher? Okay, let's see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You put your beads next to you. Okay. And go.
No.
That's okay. Keep going.
Why am I keep dropping?
Oh, that's
come
okay.
on.
Leave that one.
That's not going in. Oh, probably less now.
Oh, why do you think it's probably less now?
Because it's less.
But like, why? Why do you think you got less this time?
Because it looks less.
It does look less. Okay, so without counting it, how many do you think are there?
7.
Think 7 are there? Okay, let's write 7. There you go.
I did it wrong.
That's okay.
That's how I always write a 7.
That's okay. It's a nice 7. Okay, so let's count You want to count out loud this time, or do you want to count?
No.
You want to count in our heads again? Okay. Ready? Let's do it together. What'd you get?
7.
I got 7 also. All right. So your estimate was
17.
Correct, but
Yeah,
are these numbers the same or different?
Same.
They're the same. So you estimated the same number that we counted. Awesome.
I didn't even count it actually.
You just knew it was 7 because you could tell by the way it looked.
Yeah, because I know 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 is just this. So
4 is
2 more is 3 more is 7. So I knew it.
nice adding. All right. So if we do it again, do you think you'll get more or less?
More probably.
Think you'll get more? Okay. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take our beads off the string. You can go. Yeah. Yeah.
It just broke.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna help you.
Now.
You gonna try it?
It's hard. I don't know how to do it.
That's okay. Watch. I just push it through like this. But I'm able to do it because I have nails. If you don't have nails, you could take something like your scissors and push it through, or your pencil. Okay. All right. So we're gonna try it again. Another 45 seconds.
More.
And you think you're gonna get more beads this time? Okay, let's try it.
Getting ready.
Okay. And go.
No.
It's okay. Let it go. Good.
Yay.
Go ahead, put it on. All right.
Yeah, I got more.
Okay, so don't count them yet.
Well,
Okay.
I wasn't counting.
So estimate how many do you think you got?
Mm,
How many do you estimate?
mm, mm, 12.
You think you got 12?
Yeah,
Okay. So let's write your estimation down, 12. And why do you think there's 12 beads on your string?
Looks like it.
It
That's
looks
12.
It looks like there's 12. Okay.
Probably not, but
Well, we'll see, right? You ready to count them? You want to count out loud, or do you want to count in your head?
I'm counting in my head.
Okay, so I'm going to count with you in my head again. Okay. Ready?
10.
10. Nice. Same number. Okay. So right here, the number of beads that you actually strung was 10.
Okay,
Is that the same as 12?
No,
No. But I heard you say, what was it?
12.
Yeah, but you said it was
10.
close.
Close.
Yeah, it's close. They're not too far away, huh? If we looked on a number line, they'd be how many numbers away?
2.
They'd be 2 numbers away. You're so smart.
Oh.
Okay. So, should we go one more time?
One more time.
One more time. You want to see if you can beat...
Oh, God, not again.
It's okay. Leave them. We'll get them afterwards. Okay, but thank you for cleaning up and putting your beads back into the container. Okay, so our goal is to try to get more than 15, right?
Actually, I just want to do the next year.
And if we don't, it's okay. like how you're trying that. How do you know what to do? You were listening?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's not working.
It's not working with that? Okay. Would you like help? Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we'll use my nail. What do you think we could do so it won't fall off?
Tape it?
We could tape it.
But that's harder. So.
Tape is hard. What's another solution?
I don't know.
What's another way we could fix it?
I don't know, but...
What do you think if we tied it? What would happen? Do you think if we tied it, it would help it stay?
Maybe, I don't know.
Well, let's see, okay? So I'm going to tie it, and then we'll see. I just want your beads to still fit. Okay? Okay, so it's tied. We'll see if that works. Okay. So how many do you think you'll get this time? What's your estimation?
No, I don't know.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and set the timer, and then we'll see how many. Okay? Ready, set?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but before we do it, can you tell me how you're going to try to get 15 beads? How are you going to try to do it?
Do it faster.
You're going to do it faster?
Yeah.
That's a good way to do it. Okay. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go.
Okay.
You got it. I see you looking at it. Yeah.
And one more.
All right, one more. You had time for it. Okay, so without counting, what's your estimation? You can look at it. What's your estimation? How many do you think are there?
Maybe more than 15.
Maybe more than 15? Why do you think there's more than 15 this time?
Because it looks more.
It looks like more. Okay, are we ready to count?
I should. 17.
You think 17 maybe? Okay, so let's write 17. I like your optimism.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
We'll wait till we count. You stopped yourself. That's good. Okay, ready? Are we doing it out loud this time or in our heads?
In our heads, I like counting.
Okay, ready? I got 15. Should we count again? Let's count again. Ready? Out loud or in our heads?
In our heads.
Okay.
I got 16.
You got 16? Okay, I'm going to count out loud this time. Okay, ready? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's after 11?
12,
What's after 12?
13, and then 14, 15.
15.
But I got it 16, but I don't know why.
That's okay. All right, so 15. Give fives. 10. 15. All right. Okay, so 15 is a pretty good number. That's the number we started with, right? That was your first estimate. You reached your first estimate. That's pretty cool. Okay, Ryden. Nice work. Okay, so we we focused and we planned our activity. We said we were going to use the string, right?